segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
This 14-inch chop saw. I'm going to do an unboxing and let's check it out. Okay, first let's cut the box. Whoa, hey, comes right out at you. I kind of like that when the product comes right up out of the box. Well, here it is. Yeah, there we go. Well, empty box. Boy, is this nice. Turn it around there so it's facing the operator side, which is you the operator. So it comes packaged pretty nicely, I guess. Plenty of cardboard protection in there. Here's some here. Wow. Meantime, I got to get these foam shipping pads off from underneath this unit. I don't know what this thing weighs. Let me see here. I don't know, 35, 40 pounds maybe. Not real heavy. I got this at Northern Tool and I was told to go get what I want. Hey, this is what I wanted. Didn't know it came with a blade, so I picked up some new blades, a 5-pack, and 3/32 inch thick, 30 grit. So that's pretty healthy grit there. If you've ever used a chop saw, you know that there's not any real rocket science involved other than being careful. Make sure you have your workpiece clamped up good. And I'm going to plug it in and turn it on and see how it sounds. I guess I should turn the power on there. There she goes. You can see that this thing here pivots so you can cut on an angle from 0 to 45 degrees. Well, I certainly am happy with this DeWALT 14-inch chop saw. It worked right out of the box and it came with its own wheel. So what more could you ask for? And I know it's good quality. Why, my son's shop, they use one every day. And he's the one that recommended I get this. And I'm glad I did. So remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.